Welcome to the Breadstone Ovens Company. Today we are going to be making cassoulet. We have some bacon, some pork sausage, some duck legs, we have some beans, some onions, some tomato paste, garlic, we have some breadcrumbs, we have some chicken broth, we have some celery, some carrots, salt, pepper, some bay leaves, and a little bit of olive oil. We have a little bit of rosemary, thyme, and parsley. We're going to start by soaking the beans overnight in water. All right, we're going to start by taking a large cast iron pan. We're going to put some olive oil, and we're going to put the duck legs, coat them in the olive oil. And we're going to put all of that in the oven to sear. Once the duck legs are nicely colored on both sides, we're going to transfer them into a Dutch oven. We're going to transfer all the bacon, garlic, onion, celery, and carrots into the Dutch oven. We're going to add the tomato paste. We're going to take the chicken broth and pour it in the hot pan. We're going to take all the beans, pour them in the Dutch oven. We're going to add a little bit of salt, some thyme, and some rosemary. We're going to make sure we get all the caramelized fat out of the pan where we sauteed duck, and we're going to pour it into the Dutch oven. We're going to gently stir the beans with the other ingredients, and we're going to put the sausages on top. So as the fat melts, you can flavor all the beans. We're going to cover the Dutch oven with a lid, and we're going to cook it at 250 to 300 degrees for about 4 hours or until all the beans are nice and tender. Once you have put a duck leg, a sausage, and some beans, you can sprinkle some breadcrumbs over it and finish it in the oven until golden brown.